How do you crank it?
Key.
With the key?
Key.
Are you gonna crank it and drive it? Well, get up there and sit down. Yeah, you gotta get up there and sit down if you're gonna drive. Whoop. Ready? Well, good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Poorboys Little Homestead. It's your first time here. Thanks for dropping in. Feel free to drop in anytime. Guys, today we got a 1.5-year-old driving a lawnmower all by himself. You gotta turn this way. No, you can't turn around. Turn around and sit down. Turn it, push. There you go. All right. Come on. Right this way. Well, you gotta push the other one. You gonna push the other one? There you go. Come on. Come on. Come on. There you go. Push. Guys, y'all think he's gonna like riding this lawnmower when he gets big enough to actually mow? Hold on. Ready? There you go, push. Hey. Now guys, I done spoiled him. He's whining because he don't even want me sitting on here with him no more. So I may have done started some on this one. me to get off? You want Papa to get off? Hey everybody, he says. Can you say thank you for watching?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Say thank you. You're welcome. Say thank you for watching. Thank y'all for watching. Hope you enjoyed the little video. Colton sure loves riding his zero turn. God bless. If you like this video, give us a big thumbs up. Tell them, say please share.
Please.
Please share. Say share.
A butchuck.
Say please share.
Butchuck.
Say please.
Chuck.
Please share.
Chuck.
Can you ask them? Say please share.
My size.
No, say please share on your social media.
I don't.
Tell he's on the phone.
Mama.
Thank y'all for watching.
Okay.
Please share
My trousers.
our videos
Please.
to help us grow our channel.
My size.
Now you want to go slide? All right. But guys, thank y'all for watching this little video. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. Share it on your social media to help us grow our YouTube channel. God bless. Hope y'all having a great day. See y'all next time. But tell them bye-bye.